Hi guys, good afternoon. How are you doing today? And I will introduce with my countryside. Have your attention, please, of my countryside. And first of all, I want to say that welcome to my YouTube channel. And you can look at in front of me. There is a countryside, and there is a project in our countryside, and it is too significant of our farmer, and it is very important our people, and uh, because they are give a few fish in the project, and they are cultivate on the water or fish. Okay, fine. And come to the point, I want to say that today's weather is very sunshine, and you can look at the sky, and there are a few cloudy. I mean, it is white cloudy on the sky, moving, and it is very important for our sky. And you can look at the scenery is very amazing, and I think there are not any cloudy in the sky, I mean, and there are not dark cloudy in the sky. I like this circumstance, and I like this area. And uh, you can look at in front of me, and you can look at in our countryside. There are a lot of green side, and you can't look at in our countryside. There are not any skyscraper building in our countryside, and there are few first or second floor building in our countryside. They were making building in our countryside, and you can see this scenery or see this building, and it is very wonderful sight in our countryside. Okay, fine. And if you wanna see this scenery, first of all, you have to come to countryside. After that, you will see this scenery. And if you come here, and you will see this natural scenery, because there are a lot of natural scenery or natural everythings. After that, you will share with anybody with family, and that's it. And that's why. Okay, fine. And finally, I wanna say that it is very wonderful natural sight, and I am sitting on the grass, and I am to coming every day here, and uh, I am to make a few new video of here, and that's why I have to come here. Okay, fine. And if you want to come here, first of all, you have to take a few free time. After that, you will come to our countryside. That's it. Okay, fine. And finally, I want to say for you, uh, this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video, and uh, please, and if you then please like, share, and subscribe. We will meet in the next video. Till then, Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.